As always, syempre magsa-start tayo with the primer and I'm using Maybelline Baby Skin to protect her skin. And then I'm just putting it lightly on her face. Then for the foundation, I'm using Maybelline Infallible. As you can see, lighter yung shade na ginamit ko since this foundation darkens after a while. Tapos, don't forget to blend hanggang sa matawa ka na sa finish niya. Ayan, blend, blend, blend lang. Then, magbe-bake tayo using Nichido Final Powder in Creamy Glow. Ayan, I'm putting it under the eyes, sa noo, sa nose bridge, sa chin, so that it will also serve as the highlight. So, let's proceed sa brows. Since hindi ganon kakapal yung kilay niya, I'm lightly lining her brows. Ayan, and then, tinatanggal ko muna yung excess product sa brush para hindi siya maging overwhelming. Tapos, as much as possible, susundin pa rin natin yung natural shape ng brows niya. Ayan. Tapos, don't forget na dapat may ombre effect yung brows. The tail should be dark, tapos palight siya dun sa start ng brows. We want that faded look sa may start ng brows natin. And to achieve that, we'll just use the excess product. Huwag nating i-dip pa yung brow brush sa product when putting it sa may start ng brows. And then, i-brush mo lang hanggang sa maging faded yung look niya. Ayan. Brush it with the spoolie. Tapos, I'm doing the same thing sa my other brow. Then, tinatanggal ko lang yung excess na powder mula dun sa pagbe-bake with a powder brush. Then, for the eyes, I'm using the BYS Berries palette. And I'm using an orangey brown shade sa lids niya as base. Then, I used a flat eyeshadow brush to add more of that shade para mas ma-intensify siya. Then, I'm adding a deep orange shade sa crease and then I'm blending it out. Syempre, best, wag natin kalimutan mag-blend ng eyeshadow. Blend, blend, blend lang. Ayan, blend lang natin. And then, I'm adding a purplish pink shade sa inner and outer part to create that halo effect. And then, don't forget to blend. Blend pa rin, best. Kahit anong mangyari, blend, blend lang. Blend, 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 blend lang. Then, I combined a dark brown and a dark purple shadow. Then, nilagay ko siya sa may outer part ng eyelids to create a depth. And, syempre, blend pa rin. Blend, blend, blend pa rin. Best. Huwag kalimutan mag-blend. Tapos, I also used the purple and brown combination sa may baba ng eyes niya to balance the eye look. And, don't forget to blend it too. Tapos, I'm using peachy gold na shimmer shadow sa gitna ng eyelids. Ayan. Tapos, I'm just lining her eyes and I'm keeping the line as close to the lash line as possible to make it look more natural. Then, naglagay lang ako ng falsies para mas maging pack ang eye makeup. Then, while waiting for the false eyelashes glue to dry, I'm just contouring the face and then mag-add lang tayo ng subtle na blush. Ayan. And we don't want the blush na maging sobrang pack kasi bright pink naman na yung eyeshadow. Tapos, I'm just highlighting the highest points of the cheek, the nose bridge, sa taas ng kilay. Ayan. And then, don't forget to contour the nose. Syempre, contour lang ng nose best. Importante yan, huwag kalimutan. And then, going back to the eyes, kinacurl ko lang yung falsies and the eyelashes together para mas mag-stick sila. Tapos, putting on some mascara. Tapos, hindi ako nakontento sa highlight, so dinagdagan ko pa siya. Ayan, sa may nose bridge ulit. Tapos, nag-add pa ako sa taas ng kilay. Ayan. Tapos sa may Cupid's bow. Sa may chin. And dahil naka-cold shoulder si ate, pati yung collarbones and yung shoulder niya ay ating i-highlight. Pati yung tenga na rin, isama na natin. Tapos for the lips, I'm just using a nude pink shade para hindi maging overwhelming yung makeup since bright pink naman na yung eyeshadow. And kapag bright din yung lips, masyado siya magiging over. So, we want to keep the lips light lang. Ayan. And then, kinulit ko lang yung hair niya using 32mm na barrel. All the tides turn now, building a bridge you can't burn down. Oh, shaking the ground, you're walking on. So get up after that fence, come on. Oh. There you have it, guys. I hope you like this look and ayan, umextra pa si ate girl. Don't forget to click like and subscribe para maging notified kayo when I upload more videos. Bye!